In this tutorial, we will be going over how to add the pom-pom / tree topper. So get the yarn that your pattern calls for. We're going to make a slip knot and place it on our hook. Now with the eyes facing you, and this goes for any of the patterns that you add a pom-pom to, you're going to want to go into the top here with the eyes facing you, trying to center it as much as possible. So you'll go, I like to start in between rounds 1 and 2, in one of the gaps, and go out where we had our magic circle. Then you'll grab that yarn, you can yarn under or over, and pull through to make a slip stitch. Now we'll tighten that, and we're going to chain 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go in the third chain from the hook. There's 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn under, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops on your hook. So you should have 2 loops left over, and we're going to do it 2 more times. Yarn over, go into that same chain space, yarn under, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, so we'll do that 1 more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now with 4 loops left on your hook, we are going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And then we're going to go right back into that space that we started from to make a slip stitch. Okay. Trim that yarn, pull through. Now pull it nice and tight so we don't have a lump over there. You can see the little pom-pom. I usually like to take the ends and knot them in the back. And then you can weave them right into the cap and continue on to the hat brim.